Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Simon Promotes Art, and today we're gonna learn about full shot. What is a full shot? Well, let's find out. In a full shot, we see the character from head to toe. Well, you must be thinking that we can see the subject's full body even in a wide shot. So, what is the difference between a wide shot and a full shot? It is close enough so the viewers can see the character's face and expressions to link with the story. And it's kind of wide so the viewers can see the character's entire body and posture, which helps the viewers to understand the story better. It can refer to objects as well. For example, a full shot of a car includes all of the car. But remember, the car should be close enough so you can see some features of the car. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel to support me and to motivate me so I can make more tutorials and informational videos for you.